just press over this area and he will come out. And this is the easiest way to find out whether any congestion is present here or not, even which is not audible by students. So this is the simple way. Just press the neck and just press over this area and he will come. And then all people will come. But the negative point is if the baby is encouraged, he will never. Now I will show how to finish it down in young children. So this is the way to stretch the neck area and press. He or she will come and it will signify